We are now going to dive into the overview of the brain. So remember that the central nervous system is made up of the brain and then the spinal cord. So in the next couple of videos and different written out prompts in the online lab on Blackboard, you are going to be discovering all of these different parts of the brain. So before I kind of get into the cerebrum and all that's going on there, let's just talk about what are these different parts of the brain itself. So looking here, just so that we can kind of see the brain, this is what the brain looks like. We have the brain stem, which is kind of right up in the front here. Behind that is the cerebellum. And then this is the cerebrum. We're looking at it from the side. Here, there's the brain stem, cerebellum, cerebral. This, we're just seeing the cerebrum. We have two cerebral hemispheres. So I just want to show you one more picture that kind of, this is if I cut the brain in half so we could see the inside of the brain. So here's the cerebrum. Underneath that cerebrum, which is in green here, is the diencephalon. The diencephalon is made up of a couple different parts. We're going to talk about them. Actually, you'll read about them. There is my thalamus, hypothalamus. We have our pineal gland, which is part of my epithalamus. And then this purple is all of my brainstem. The brainstem is made up of three parts. We have our midbrain, our pons, and our medulla oblongata. And then in the back, we have our cerebellum. So those are kind of the parts that actually make up the brain itself. So I want to just introduce that before I jump into the cerebrum.